Hi everybody, Rusty Albertson, Director of Communications here at St. Mark the Evangelist Catholic Church and School. Wanted to show you first of all, we got the three large pine trees that have always been blocking the view back from 31 Edgewood taken down. I want to thank Fred and Sons Tree Service, Don Burns, parishioner here, for doing that for us. Also the entryway has been taken down. We're getting ready to landscape that. Wanted to show you the finished product of the ramp and the new entryway to the north side of church. Looks absolutely beautiful. The concrete was put some stuff over, some paint and stuff to make it look nice. We're going to do some planting in here as the fall goes on and kind of spruce up along the new build. So wanted to show you though the stairs again on this north entrance and the ramp. The ramp has been quite handy for taking things out of Shafer Hall. I actually brought a refrigerator out of here. We have it and it worked perfectly. We've had some funerals and Father said that the caskets fit around here very nicely as well, and the old ramp it did not. So you can see as we go up the ramp how wide it is, how nice it looks, nice railing to hold on to. It's not too steep as you look back down. Gradual slope. So we're going to go inside today and not look at the new build, but look at some renovation started on Monsignor Shafer Hall. So let's go in and take a look. As we come into Shafer Hall, one of the first things you notice is a lot of work in progress. Definitely a hard hat area when they're working in here. Got some lifts, a lot of the HVAC equipment. A lot have already been installed. And if you're wondering, we're going to have a lowered ceiling, like a cloud ceiling, down right at the bottom of where those HVAC vents go. And you can see the choir loft has now been, they put plywood, or they put framing and drywall up. So that will be solid. There will be HVAC vents in these areas. So this will be the big meeting space for Monsignor Shafer Hall. This will be where you'll have coffee and donuts, funeral meals, different small things. Will not be any sports activities in here. Only a big meeting room space as well if a group needs to meet. It's rather large. As you can see, there's been some changes here to where the CYO storage and different storage used to be. This will be solid, and this will be a larger opening so we can put tables and chairs in this area. Instead of taking them out to the narthex, they'll have a wall here and then a hallway that goes up to the stairs up to the HVAC. Okay, so you can see here now on the far end, which would be the east end as we're looking, you can see, and I'll zoom in a little bit, the framing is done. We got the drywall started up. They will have, again, HVAC vents up top. This will all be drywall with a cloud ceiling. They will have you can see right up here, I'm trying to find out where I'm at, right up here. They're going to have right there, I was trying to find it. They're going to have a projector. So there'll be a projector in here. This is also where we will live stream overflow masses like on Christmas Eve and on Easter. And also be able to show presentations in here. If a group wants to show a movie in here or something on a computer, this is going to be a great space for that. As we go back down, we'll have a hallway that will be mirrored on each side. So this hallway will go back out into the narthex. You can see they have it already framed up. As we come into this room, now this room is going to be kind of cool. So this room here, and I'm going to plug the lights in. Let me see if I can do this without losing my video. And I did. Oh, I did. Okay, so in here, awesome in here. Great, nice features to this. They've got the metal studs all insulated. They're going to have this right here is really cool. Not too many parishes have this. This will be a room divider. It won't be just a pull curtain. It'll be a solid wall that will fold up into this area down here. So this room can either be this large or it can be two smaller rooms. They're also going to have TV in here mounted, presentation, one in this room as well. So you can see this is really going to be a neat space for small group work, a small meeting space. If somebody wants to meet with 4 or 5 or 6, 7, 8 people, this half of one of these is going to be perfect. The wall again is retractable, removable, or movable down to one end, and it's going to look neat. So this is kind of an update on Monsignor Shafer Hall build. We're very excited about how fast this is going. You can see the LED lights that have been installed already, and there'll be more lights in the cloud ceiling. So we're just very blessed to get this space done. I know Father is going to talk about that, this space this weekend, a little bit at Masses. So we hope you've enjoyed this quick presentation. We hope you have a great week. Enjoy this beautiful weather, and God bless you.